Hi, today I'm for the POCO X5 and today I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first open the Gmail application and then just tap on the right upper corner. Here we'll see our Gmail account. If you want to log out from the Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, tap to Google section. Here we'll see more icon and just click remove account. After that, confirm your action by tap to remove account again. Now in Google account settings, we successfully log out from the Google account. Let's just see that in application we also successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.